Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the audio, speak or import sound, then export as MP3 at 128 kbps or higher so devices play it reliably. Once done, pick a host that gives a direct link, cloud storage with public sharing, or a simple web host work best. Make sure the file is trimmed to a short length, 10 to 60 seconds, for instant interaction. Then upload the MP3 and copy the direct file URL. This link becomes the target for your QR code. Now generate the QR code using your direct MP3 URL or better, a simple HTML landing page that embeds a big play button. You do this because many phones block automatic audio playback. Having a visible button ensures users tap to play. Once generated, set QR size for scanning at intended distance, larger for farther viewing. Then test on multiple devices, Android, iPhone, different browsers. If the MP3 link fails, finish by printing the QR at high resolution, then laminate it and mount it on the sound box where phones can easily scan. Make sure the QR contrasts with its background and is at least 2x2 inches for handheld use. Once mounted, scan and follow the landing page flow. If everything works, users will tap play and hear the audio. If playback fails, ask users to tap the visible play button, try a different browser, or use the direct download link provided on the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.